Hello, Tesla guy here. I just got via FedEx from Tesla the Model SX wireless phone charger. And I'm going to open it up and we'll do a little unboxing so you can see it, and then I'm going to install it in my Model S. So here we go. Beautifully packaged, just like most Tesla accessories that you get from their online store are. And it's pretty simple here. You have the wireless charging pad that has the little slots for the phone to fit into, as well as the cable, which is permanently attached, as you can see. I'll let you take a look at the back here, just the labeling. And those two little tabs there, and this one here, these are what hold it in place. And it's probably difficult to see, but these are little self-adjusting kind of spring-loaded deals that hold the phone in place and automatically adjust so that you'll see here. I'll slide it in there for you and you can see it. It pretty much holds on pretty good, so I'm very pleased with it. So no instructions are included with this, but if you go to the do-it-yourself support page for the Model S, which I gave you a link to in the notes, it has this description, but if you just watch the animation, which I will put from the beginning here at full screen, you can see exactly how it's installed. If you prefer to read, you can do that too. So here it is. You simply flip this up. If you already have the connection dock in there, you have to take it out, but remove the little rubber mat, and then the first thing you're going to do is remove either the connection dock or this little cover plate that's already there on a new Model S. And then you have to slide it through the back as you flip it open. You can't pull it out, you have to push it through like that. And then you're going to take the one that's included in this kit, you're going to screw that in using the same screws. They don't provide any screws, nor do they provide a magically disappearing screwdriver. And then the next step is to feed the USB cable down the hole and slide the pad into place, and then to somehow magically pull the cable up through that hole. Not easily done. I used a little stainless steel piece of wire, which I'll show you after we finish the animation here, and because that's all there is. Put the mat back in after you feed it through. And there's a little wire I used. It worked pretty well to pull it up. And you can see how I fed it through, and it goes through that hole. And this is the real-world version of sliding that into place. Now, I did have a problem closing the door because my flash drive was actually preventing it from closing, because it's now a thicker setup there with the door. So I actually was able to just pull the cap off of my special one, and that worked. So the final installation is just beautiful. It looks factory. It works perfectly. It's going to be a lot less distracting putting the phone in the wireless setup than it was with the connection dock. Really pleased with this. I really recommend it. It's 125 bucks, but I'm pretty sure this is exactly what you get if you order a new Model S or X, and it's terrific. I really endorse it highly.